Hello dear aspirants, do you know most of the students could not clear their UPSC prelims exam in 2023. The most crucial reason that we see today is CSAT. Now, why the students could not clear CSAT, which had never been a hard nut to crack in earlier exams? First, the most crucial reason that we think is students had not expected this much level of CSAT, as we could clearly see the quants and reasoning questions were up to CAT examination level. And the second most common reason is students had not taken it very seriously as usual because it's a qualifying exam, right? But we should not make this mistake of taking this lightly in 2024. So just to help you out, as always, yet again Sleepy Classes brings you a wonderful masterclass. This masterclass is going to be conducted on 3 consecutive days, that is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. The dates are 22nd, 3rd and 4th of January. This masterclass is totally free of cost and I want all of you to register yourself on the link given below. And you should enroll yourself and see what we can do about CSAT 2024. In this class, we'll be talking about the most crucial strategies and ways how to clear CSAT, and along with taking some questions which may confuse you or which might have confused you in the last examination, we're going to overcome all of these issues. So I see you in the master class. Take care of yourselves and have a good day.